Now in this video, we are going to take up one more problem. How to solve this by using solid software. Draw the projections of a line capital AB 100 mm long, inclined at 45 degrees to VP and 30 degrees to HP. One end of the line is 20 mm above HP and in VP. Determine apparent length and inclination. So to do that, first we will go for solid screen. Just take the cursor to the sheet 1, right click and go to sheet setup, and you make this as A4, show background I don't want, and say OK. Then go to sheet setup, then go to view, make it fit now. Now you just come down to zoom area and take it out here. Go to home, click on annotation, and here take this as Times New Roman, that is the standard one, which you're going to take it as 4. This is the text height. Then you just click on this. So we're going to type the problem now. Draw the projections of a line capital AB 100 mm long. So this is the problem number 41. So I'll go to draw the projections of the line capital AB 100 mm long, inclined at 45 degrees to VP. Inclined at 45 degrees. To get the degrees, by holding the Alt key, type 0176 and remove that. Release the Alt key. 45 degrees to VP and 30 degrees to HP. And 30 degrees 0176 to HP. 30 degrees to HP. And 30 degrees to HP. One end of the line is above HP, and one end of the line is 20 mm above HP and in VP. Determine apparent length and inclination. Determine apparent lengths and inclinations. Now when you do that, here you just go to select this, and you go to properties, indent and spacing, make it 1.5 lines if you want. Okay, and then just go to view and go to fit. Now we have the line, you have the text which has been drawn, which has written on the question. Now we are going to try to solve the problem. First we are going to draw the XY line, and then you draw this vertical line and mark this as, and then you take 30 degrees to HP, 100 mm length, and 100 mm length, 45 degrees to VP. So to do that, first I'll go for sketching, click on line. So here make this as 0.05, because all the projector lines should be of 0.05. So then we go to IntelliSketch, enable endpoint, then you remove point on element, then you should have intersection, and horizontal or vertical should be enabled, and all other IntelliSketch options should be disabled. This I am doing it in HT9, so therefore you will be getting the IntelliSketch options directly here. Suppose when you are using the version 19, then we have to go to tools, go to IntelliSketch, and do these operations, enable end, intersection and horizontal or vertical, and remove all other options of the IntelliSketch, because the moment when you log in, always all the IntelliSketch options will be enabled, and you make disable the one which is not required or you will not going to be used much. So now as I start doing it, first I will go to consider any point, and then I will drag as it is horizontal or vertical is also enabled, so it will go to logs at this point. Then as we say, one end of the line is 20 mm above HP, so go to offset, take the distance as 20 mm, and then you select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to line and draw one vertical line here. Once you do that, then go to trim these two and this. Now we need to go for line. You take endpoint of this and take 100 mm and angle 30 degrees. You take 30 degrees. So you're going to get this, then you draw a horizontal line to get the locus. Similarly, you just take the endpoint of this line and take again 100 mm, angle is minus 30, minus 45, because clockwise direction of measurement is negative in CAD. Then again you draw a horizontal line. So as I need to extend this line toward the right side, I will create one more construction line so that I can get the boundary. So then you just go to extend to next, extend this line till here and extend this line till here. Then go to select this and remove it. So once you do that, now what we need to do from here, you draw a vertical line to the XY line, and from there you draw a circle or arc so that you're going to get the locus of B in the top view. So to do that, so go to line, take end point of this line and draw a vertical line now here. Then go to trim this here. Then go to circle, take end point of this circle to the radius end point of this circle. Then go to line, draw a line from end point of this to intersection point of this. Then go to trim this till here and you trim this till here, and the rest of the arc has to be removed. Okay. Now this is how you are going to get the top view now. Again you just go to line and take end point of this and draw a vertical line here. Then you just go to trim corner between these two now. Then go to circle and take the end point of this to the end point of this. Then go to line, take end point of this to intersection point of this line. And when you project that line till here, you are going to get this directly. Similarly, you just go to trim this portion and this portion, and then go to delete this line till here. So now this is how you will be able to complete this drawing now. You completed the general drawing. Now we need to go to split this line till here and you split the line till here. Similarly, you split the line till here and then you split the line till here. Similarly, you split the line till here and you split the line till here. Then you just go to select this and delete it. Similarly, on this side also you start deleting the lines. Then what we need to do is, by holding the shift key, you select these two. You make that 0.05 and then you make this as dashed out line. So that means you are going to get the locus of B. Then you select this line front view and you select this line top view and make this as 0.5. Then you select this true length and this true length line and make it 0.25. So once you do that, and all other this, you make this line as 0.13 because it is the XY line. Now once you do that, now we need to go for the dimensioning. So to do that, go to dimensioning variable ISO mm and click on modify and go to text. So you take Times New Roman, okay, and take the font size as 4. Then go to lines and coordinates, make it 0.1. The rest of the things need not to be edited. And then go to units. Of course, the linear dimension is up to 0.12. Okay, and then say OK and then apply and close. Now we go for distance between these two. Okay, you will going to get as nominal. So you are going to get it as 20. Sorry. Now here go to annotation, modify, then go to general and make this color dimensions as black. All the dimensions to be of black color, and so apply. Then go to distance between this line and this line. You're going to get 20. Then you take a distance from here to here you take the dimension and you are going to get it as 100 mm line. Then go to split this line till here now. Then go to delete this extra line. Now once you get this, now you go to angle between these two lines. You are going to get 30 degrees and then angle between these two lines. So you are going to get 45 degrees. And similarly, what you can do is you just go to nominal, that is blank, and you just click on between these two. You will going to get the angle. Similarly, select between these two, you will going to get that alpha and beta. So that I need to find those values. Now we go to annotation now. So come down to home and click on annotation now, and here you mark this as X and you mark this as Y, and you keep it as capital VP and this as capital HP. Then what I need to do is I will going to give the capital letter A and this also as capital letter A, and this as capital letter B, and this as locus of B now. Similarly here capital B, and here this as locus of B, and here you have capital A. And now we will going to take up remove the caps lock, write A dash, and here you type A, you type B, you type B dash, then you consider B1 dash, and this as B1, and here this as B2, and this as B2 dash. Then once you do that, now we go for leader now. You just go to leader, go to sketching, click on point on element. So you just take this and here you take this now. Similarly here you take this and here you take this. Once you do that, remove point on element now. Now we need to move. So to do that, first we go for zoom area, then go to home move and disable copying. You just take X, you take VP and you take HP, then you take A dash, then you have capital A now. So here it should be B dash, here it should be B2 dash, here it should be B1 dash, then you have locus of B, then you have capital B now. Then you have Y, then you have A, then you have capital A, then you have B1, then you just go to view, click on fit now, then go to zoom area, bring it nearer to your screen, then again go to sketching, click on move, you take this, you take B2 here and you take B2 here, and then you take locus of B outside, then this B, and here you are going to get the locus of B. Now once you do that, you just go to view and click on fit now. Now we need to type home, go to home, click on annotation and you come down to symbol now. A symbol, SYM symbol, you type small letter A alpha, and here small letter B, you are going to get beta. Now again go to sketching, go to move, place it wherever you want. Similarly beta now. So now as we check this, what will going to be the dimension? 70.71 and alpha is 45 degrees, 45.00, 70.71 and alpha is 45 degrees, that is the front view. Now similarly if you look on this, 86.6, is it 86.6 S and 54.74, you can see here 54.74. Now I need to write the answers. So to do that, I will go to home, click on annotation, you just come down to Times New Roman and here you type 86.60 mm, 86.60 mm, then you have the next point is 70.71, you click down, you take 70.71 mm, then we have 45 degrees, 45, by holding the shift key type 0176 45 degree, and then here you have 54.74 degrees, type 54.74 by holding this alt key 0176 now. So now you just go to sketching, click on move and you just move this and place it wherever you want. Come down to this and similarly you move this here. Once you do that, then you just go to zoom area, then you come down to line, you draw a line from here to here, okay, then from here to here you are going to draw a line, and similarly you draw a line like this. Then you just go to trim corner between these two now. Then we need to have the text which we want to write. Go to home, click on annotation, Here we are going to get it as A dash AB and A dash B dash. So here I will mark AB and here I will mark A dash B dash. Okay. Then again go to sketching, click on move, you take this here AB and then you take A dash B dash here. Then I want to move this, go to view, click on fit. Then I want alpha. So here just go to sketching, go to move, click on copying and you move that and you keep it here alpha. Similarly you want to keep it here beta. Now once you do that, then go to zoom area, bring it down and again go to move and remove copying and you take this alpha nearer and this 45 degree nearer. Similarly beta you take it up, then you take it this nearer to this. Then go to line, you draw one more line here. From here you take this, okay. Then go to line, you take this line from here, you just draw a simple line. It can be of any length. Just go to trim corner between these two now. And here you just delete this and you just go to trim this line here. Then you just go to trim corner between these two now. Once you do that, then you just go to move and copy now. You select this and then click the point to move from here. So I want to move it in this direction, so X displacement is 0. Now you just copy to the next position and here to the next position like this. You keep on doing this, so you are going to get this. So once you do that, then you just go to home, click on annotation, you type answers now, answers. So then you just go to sketching, click on move, disable copying and you move this here. So this is how you just be able to show how the drawing is going to look like and what is the angle and everything we have done as per the requirement of this problem, and this is how you will be able to get the final solution, how to draw this drawing by using the SolidEdge software. Thank you.